So I'm with Michael. Hello, Michael.
Hello, Alba.
How are you?
I'm good.
Well, I believe you're here in this great conference, Europe, because you're talking about the migration between Grails 2 and Grails 3,
Correct.
and also you're talking about the new event system based on Reactor.
Right.
Which are the main characteristics or the main changes that Grails 3 brings?
Okay. Well, basically, the major change in Grails 3 is basically that it's based on Spring Boot. So they've basically revamped the whole framework. It was more or less a complete rewrite to a very modern, very stable, microservice-ready architecture. And that is the major change. And they also introduced a couple of new features, and one of them is the event system based on Reactor. And it may not have the highest priority in the documentation, but I think this feature is a little gem inside the framework, and that's why I filed a talk for that at the conference as well.
Michael, I believe you like really much these reactive applications. Which are the main characteristics of them?
Well, basically, reactive applications tend to respond fast, so they must be responsive. That means low response times, low latencies, and stuff like that. And in addition to that, they also should be fault tolerant. So they should be resilient. That means that if a downstream system fails, we make sure that the major system that we're working on doesn't fail as well. So there should be some kind of a graceful degradation of service, and they should obviously be message-driven, highly asynchronous. And that is, for instance, something where the Grace 3 event system comes into play, because it enables us to write loosely coupled asynchronous applications with Grace now, where we have a very low degree of coupling between applications and plugins and consumers. And yeah, I think that's a really great thing.
Okay, Michael, many thanks for passing by, for having stopped here, and see you around at the conference.
Okay, thank you.